JRS Pharma, the global MCC manufacturing network. The JRS Microcrystalline Cellulose production network expanded to Asia and started its 7th production site in Changzhou, China. JRS Pharma is one of the biggest manufacturers of MCC binder products in the world. German MCC technology, produced in 7 JRS factories all around the globe. The core of our knowledge is the proven in-house developed production process that runs for over 25 years.
High-tech MCC binders need a highly detailed and consistent production process. We refined and innovated the MCC production process and designed advanced special equipment in-house by the Central Process and Engineering Department of JRS in Germany. That gives us the 100% control and excellence of the process, the product and a consistent quality.
The JRS Group is a 3,000 employers company, privately owned, with 90 production and sales facilities and 140 years of experience. The JRS manufacturing strategy is based on reliability and security. All of our 7 JRS Pharma MCC manufacturing sites offer the same premium processes and product quality standards all over the world. 2018, we introduced a new member of our network. Focused on Asian Pacific markets, we set up our production in Changzhou, China, and built one of the most modern MCC technology factories around the globe. Serving the regional Asian Pacific markets with approved JRS Pharma branded and certified MCC quality products.
Like all our manufacturing sites worldwide, our state-of-the-art facility in Changzhou, China adheres to a globally standardized production process. This includes utilizing the same supply of premium quality raw materials. Our process know-how is backed by more than 20 years of experience in MCC production and innovation. The goal of JRS Pharma is to serve the increasing demand in the Asian market with consistent, high-quality products. Our China plant allows faster regional access and ensures supply chain security. The regional lab allows us to respond to our customers' needs quicker during the development phase, which translates to faster time to market for our customers' end products.
My name is Johannes Bayer. I'm CEO of the new JRS production site for MCC in Changzhou, China. Since I'm in Changzhou, I conducted and managed the planning, construction, equipment installation as well as the commissioning of the new high-tech production line for MCC of JRS. And this already from the project start.
The new JRS Pharma factory in Changzhou offers a perfect high-level partnership for pharmaceutical industries in the APAC zone. Shorter transportation times, reduced freight costs, higher supply security, easier contact using regional time zone, backup security by the global JRS factory network.
JRS Pharma's portfolio of tableting excipients is probably the most comprehensive in the market. And this includes not only classical ingredients, but also modern high technology and high functionality excipients. Still, the backbone of this portfolio are Vivapur and Emcocell. The compliance with compendial monographs and internal specifications is of course checked by our local quality control labs. But in addition, it is our role at JRS Pharma's technical competence centers in Germany and the US to carry out regular functionality testing of our excipients in terms of tableting performance.
JRS Pharma is a family-owned company, and it is really family, and we treat our customers as family. This makes us different from a lot of other companies in the industry.
Hello, my name is Joseph Otto Redmile, CEO of the global JRS company group. I would like to invite you to use our new Jiangsu factory as your strategic regional MCC source. A win-win partnership in MCC supply for the Asian Pacific area, embedded in the global JRS supply network concept. Future-orientated, we expand our excipient business into Asia to fulfill our customers' needs all around the globe. You're most welcome in the JRS Pharma excipients family.
JRS Pharma, leading in MCC excellence.